In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Mailchimp account. Whether you're starting a business or you're looking to dive into email marketing for personal projects, knowing how to navigate Mailchimp can be a valuable skill. So, let's get started with an easy, step-by-step guide. First things first, head over to the Mailchimp website. You'll want to click on Sign Up right on the homepage. This will lead you to a form where you'll need to enter your email address, a username, and a strong password. Remember, choose something secure but memorable. Once you've filled in these details, click Sign Up to proceed. Now check your email inbox for a message from Mailchimp. This email will include a prompt to verify your email. Simply click on Activate Account, and this will confirm your email address with Mailchimp, giving you access to continue with your account setup. After verification, you'll be asked to complete your profile. This step involves providing a bit of information about yourself and your business. Fill in your first and last name, the name of your business or organization, and if you have a website, you can add that as well, though it's optional. It's essential to enter your physical mailing address at this stage for email compliance. Additionally, share your marketing goals to help tailor the experience to your needs. Once your profile is set, it's time to choose a plan. Mailchimp offers several options, but if you're new or just testing the waters, the free plan is a great start. You won't need to enter any credit card details for this plan, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Next, focus on creating or selecting an audience. In Mailchimp, your audience is basically the list where all your contacts are stored. Navigate to the audience section and either create a new one or work with an existing list. When setting this up, you'll need to decide on an audience name, a default from name, and a default email address. Don't forget to add a reminder message explaining why your subscribers are receiving emails from you, as this is a useful way to foster trust and clarity. To ensure your emails maintain a consistent, professional look, you'll want to customize your brand settings. Upload your company logo, choose your brand's colors, and set the default fonts to match your brand identity. Additionally, complete your business profile to make sure everything aligns with your business goals. Finally, it's time to create your first email. Click on the Create button, select Email, and you'll be given options from various templates, or you can even start from scratch if you prefer. Add your content, images, and links to make your email compelling. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, be sure to preview it and send yourself a test email to catch any final adjustments before you launch it to your audience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your Mailchimp account. With these steps, you're now ready to take the first dive into the world of email marketing with Mailchimp.